Making your writing more direct with active voice. Hello, language learners. Today we're going to delve into an incredibly important aspect of English writing, the active voice. This crucial element can make your emails clearer, more direct, and more engaging. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently recognize and use the active voice in your English writing. Active voice is when the subject of the sentence performs the action stated by the verb. In simple terms, the structure is subject plus verb plus object. For instance, John writes the email is an example of active voice. John is the subject, writes is the verb, and email is the object. It's important to understand the difference between active voice and passive voice. In passive voice, the subject is acted upon by the verb. It usually has the format object plus verb plus subject. For example, the email is written by John is in the passive voice. The active voice, John writes the email, is generally preferred because it's more direct and concise. It leaves no doubt about who is doing what, which is especially important in emails where clarity and brevity are appreciated. Using the active voice in your writing has many benefits. It often makes your sentences clearer and more direct. This can help your reader understand your message quickly, without needing to read sentences several times. It also often leads to shorter, more concise sentences, which is always a bonus in efficient communication like email writing. Now let's try some practical exercises. 1. Identify the voice. Are the following sentences written in the active or passive voice? The project was completed by the team. We received your email. A reply will be sent soon. Convert the voice. Try changing these sentences from passive to active voice. The report was prepared by Sandra. The meeting was led by the manager. Solutions. 1. The sentences are written in passive, active, passive voice respectively. 2. The active voice versions of the sentences are Sandra prepared the report. The manager led the meeting. And there you have it. The power of the active voice in making your writing clearer and more direct. Remember, active voice helps your reader understand your message quickly and easily. Practice it, and you'll see a noticeable improvement in your English writing skills. Thanks for joining us today and keep practicing.